post for the chairman or the chairperson for the youth wing, the allotted number as per the bylaws, it is 1. And for the committee members, the allotted numbers, it is 19. But what we have received, one application for the chairman. I'll read out the names. For the post of chairman, Pratik P. Shetty is unopposed as the chairman of the youth wing. The ladies wing, the allotted number for the chairperson is 1. We have received one application for the chairperson. For the post of chairperson, Shanta N. Shetty. In respect of the Bombay Bunds Association, the allotted number for the post of president 1, we have received the valid nomination for the post of president 1, and the post of president Mr. Dinkar K. Shetty has declared as the president of the BBA.
First of all, let me thank you for having reposed so much confidence in me and elected me as a president unanimously. Thank you very much. Taking charge from very successful president and also taking charge from totally failure president is equally tough. Today I am being elected as a president and would be taking charge from very successful our president. I am really very happy, and it is very challenging job. And I know that it will not be a bed of roses. Karbada kadala by part there. But it has been my wish to head this association. It is but natural, and I am no exception. Association institution when you top, we want to reach the pinnacle. And today I have reached the pinnacle, but it is very tough job. I know I have to walk through very difficult lines, and I may have to pass through several trials and tribulations. And I am confident that with the blessings of our trustees, past presidents, and our senior members, along with the members of our ladies wing and youth wing, I can reach the target. And I am already given certain targets. Some of our senior members have given target before coming here, some have given after coming here, and I have taken, it is well taken, and I take it as a challenge. And I am sure that with the blessings of my mother, father, and my mentors, and with your support, I can reach it. Request once again that our members will support me wholeheartedly and encourage me in my endeavor. And once again, thank you very much. Thank you.
Suru to Surendra, congratulations. Dayapanda, and Poesarthi Panditari, an appointment on a Mulpa. I can't find it. Another Apinat Malpan. Yeah, the writer that Malde. Very Pandian Maltanda. Baji Pokajila Nama Bat Kuluna, I can Malderar. Yanathan Bante, Mal President Apina Malette. I will Malton Vinol Mukanet. Nicola Panuel album and jacket on when I will bet the Vandal Jelly Hospital Malplay. Book when you request the other Nicola Ratre Dimulpa Calzondo. Inita Dinan Setulere. Rather the Letical and Mulpijanach. I don't believe it. Nickel education do, I couldn't do, I can get 24 Janabodunanda. Arian Mulpal Almal shipped Mulpal Almal play recordly.
ನಮ್ಮ 2 ವರ್ಷದ నుంచి ಸುರೇಂದ್ರಣ್ಣನ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇಪ್ಪುಡು ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಬಾರಿ ಮಿತ್ತು ಬೋರ್ನು ಪಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಂಗೆ ಬಾರಿ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಪುಡು. ಅವೇ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ವಿಂಗ್ಲ ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನ ನೇತೃತ್ವಡು ಭಾರಿ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಲ್ತಂಡು ಈ 2 ವರ್ಷೋಡು. ಯೂತ್ ವಿಂಗ್ಲದಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇತ್ತಿಜಿ ವಿದಿನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ನಿಸಾನಿಗೆ ನೀರು ಅಟ್ಟ ಬಿಡ್ತಲ್ಲ ದೃಶ್ಯ ನಮ್ಮ ಯೂತ್ ವಿಂಗ್ದ ಲೀಡರ್ ಓವಂಜಿ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಲ್ಪನಾಗ ಐಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಒರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂಡ್ ఆయన ಒಟ್ಟು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಬೇರೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಖ್ಯನೇ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನಗಂದ್ರೆ ಪಂಡರು ಎಂಕ್ಲ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಒಂಜಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಏರ ಒಂದು ಐಕೆ ಅನ್ಪಂಡೆ ಐಕಳ ಕಿಶೋರ್ ಮಲ್ಪುಲ್ ಏಮಂಡದು ಇನಿಗೆ ಐಕಳ ಕಿಶೋರ್ ಅರೆಗೆ ಬೆರಿ ಸಹಾಯ ಇತ್ತೇರು ಆರ್ನ ಒಂಜಿ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಬಾರಿ ಎಡ್ಡಂಡು ಒಂದುಲ ಆರ್ನ ಒಂಜಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಕಾರಣ ಬಂದ್ಪಂಟಾರು.
Incoming president D.K. Shetty is in our association for the very long period. Are purala gottundu in and out. Therefore, he will do a good work and bring our association to plus also.
ಒಂಜಿ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಲ್ಪುನ ಇನ್ನು ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 40 years ನಮ್ಮ ಎಂಚ ಮಿತ್ತು ಬತ್ತ ನಾನು ಮೇ ಬಿ ಅನದರ್ 40 years ಎಂಚದು ಮುಕ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಮಿತ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಆಯ್ನ ದಿನಕರ್ ಶೆಟ್ರು ಮಲ್ಪೋದು ಐಟ ಏನಾಪನ ಪಣ್ಣಗ ಡೇಟಾ ಪೂರ ತಿಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಲ್ದ ನನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 years ಹೋವಿನ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಲ್ಪೋಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಲ್ತಂಡ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಿತ್ತದ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಈಸಿ ಆಪುಂಡು ಅಲ್ತು ಬುಕ್ಕ ಸೋ ಫಾರ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್. ಮಸ್ತ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಲ್ತ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಲ್ತ ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮುಟ್ಟ ಬತ್ತ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 40 years. ಒಂಜಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಕಟ್ಟುನ ಮಲ್ಲತ್ತು ಅವು ಏತು ವರ್ಷ ಮುಟ್ಟ ದುಂಪು ಒಪ್ಪುಂಡು ಅವೇನು ದುಮ್ಮು ಕೊಣಪಿನಕ್ಕೂ ಎಂಚ ದುಮ್ಮು ಕೊಣಪೇರು ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಚ ಮಲ್ಪೇರು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾರರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತರ ಒಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ದು ಎಂಚ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಲ್ಪೇರು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರೋಡು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಪುಂಡು. ಇಜಿಂದ ಅಂಡ ಆಯ್ತ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಪುಂಡು ಇತ್ತದ ಮತ ತೂನಗ ಎಂಕ ಎನ್ನೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಮತ ರೈಟ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಉಲ್ಲ.
Bombay Buns has always been represented and Surendranna is always there at the helm, at the forefront. And that is why our image in the entire community has come up so much that Bombay Buns is today a force to reckon with. And I'm sure our incoming president also would do the same way. This organization has started in 1982, as all of you know. And since then, the biggest program that we did project was this building and the entire this thing. And thanks to our building committee chairman N.C. Shetty, who was architect in, not actually architect, but the architect in having this entire infrastructure day in and day out. He has been able to raise funds and get this thing for which kudos has to be given.
ಇನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ 2 ವರ್ಷದ ಕಾರ್ಯಾವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಂಬೆ ಬನ್ಸ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ನ ಎವರ್ಷನ್ ಡೈನಾಮಿಕ್ ಯಂಗ್ ತಡಪ್ದಾರ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ನಮ್ಮ ಸುರೇಂದ್ರ ಶೆಟ್ರು 2 ವರ್ಷೋಡು ಬಾಂಬೆ ಬನ್ಸ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ನ ಪುದರ್ ಇಡೀ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಇಡೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಅಮೇರಿಕ ಬಂದು ಅವಲ್ಲ ಬಾಂಬೆ ಬನ್ಸ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಪಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾರಿಸದ ಬೈದಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಿಗೆ ಯಾನ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ ಮಂತದಿಲ್ಲ 2 ವರ್ಷಗಳು 6 ಮಂದಿ ನಾವು ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಆದುಪ್ಪು ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಮತ್ತಿತರ ಅನೇಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಚಟುವಟಿಕೆ ನಿಜವಾದ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಹಿಡಿದು ಬೆನ್ನಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಿಕ್ಕದು ಬಣ್ಣಿಯರ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಪಣು ಇತ್ತದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಶ್ರೀಯುತ D.K. ಶೆಟ್ರಿಗಳ ಅರಗಲೇನ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ ಮಂತಂದಿಲ್ಲ. D.K. ಶೆಟ್ರಿ ಹಲವಾರು ವರ್ಷದ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಉಳ್ಳರಿ ಆಡ ಒಂಜಿ 2-3 ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಉಂಡು. ಒಂಜಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಆಪಣ ಆಡ ಒಂಜಿ 2-3 ಗುಣ ಬೋಡಿಗೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಗುಣ 2 ಮಾತೆರಲ್ಲ ಪತಂದು ಒಪ್ಪಣಂಜಿ ಗುಣ 3 ದಂಡಮಾಲ ಪಂಡ ಆಗ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಬೋರ್ಡು ಒಂಜಿ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕೊಣಪಣ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಪಾಡ್ಲದ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಈ 3 ಗುಣಲ ನಮ್ಮ D.K. ಶೆಟ್ಟರ್ ಉಂಡು.
ಮಾತೆಲ್ಲ ಪಂಡ್ಲೆಕ್ಕನೆ ಸುರೇಂದ್ರನ್ನೇ ఒక ಅರ್ನ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಭಾರಿ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಲ್ದೇರು. D.K. ಶೆಟ್ರು, ಕಿಶೋರ್ ಶೆಟ್ರು, ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಶೆಟ್ರು, ಬೊಕ್ಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಗುಣಕರಣ್ಣೆ, ಬೊಕ್ಕ ದಿವಾಕರಣ್ಣೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಸಬ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ಸ್. ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ನಗಲ್ನ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹಿಡ್ದು ಅಗಲ್ನ ಪೂರ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಗಲ್ಲ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಲ್ದೇರು. ಆ ಸಬ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಆನ್ ಬಿಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಂಬೆ ಬನ್ಸ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಯಾನ್ ಅಗಲಿಗೆ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ ಕೊರೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ. ಪಂಡಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕನೆ ತೇಜಾಕ್ಷಿ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಲ್ದೇರು. ಬಾಂಬೆ ಬನ್ಸ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಪುದರ್ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಒಂದೆಟ್ಟು ಪತ್ತಂ ಪೋತೇರು. ಅಂಚನೆ ದೃಶ್ಯಲ ಕೆಲವು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಲ್ತದ್ದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಯುವಕನ್ನು ಭಾರಿ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಪತ್ತಂಬೋದು. ಶಿ ಹಸ್ ಡನ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಜಾಬ್. ಐ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಟ್ D.K. Shetty for elected as unopposed as a president of Bombay Buns Association. I also congratulate the incoming ladies wing chairperson Shantakke, and also Pratik. I once again congratulate Surendrana and his entire team for excellent job done in the last 2 years. Thank you very much.
I'm very lucky to head this great institution. I have done my work to my satisfaction. I tried hard. Bombay Bunds Association came into in the year 1982. Since last 41 years, I am the 20th president. All predecessor 19 past presidents have excellently done their work. Within 25 years, we are able to build this beautiful Bund Center and this beautiful auditorium. I am very happy. During the tenure of Advocate Ratnakar V. Shetty, we started our day college and night colleges. The aim of Bombay Bunds Association is to impart education, to help the needy people, to encourage, promote our culture, our language, to promote sports, as well as to promote, raise brotherhood among the Bunds community in Mumbai. Bombay Bunds Association is doing very good work. Our ladies wing team, Tejakshi and her team done excellent work in the last 2 years. They have organized so many good, beautiful programs. I congratulate Tejakshi and entire ladies wing team. I also congratulate young dynamic youth wing chairperson Drashya K. Shetty, CSS. Very well done, Yuvika 2024 and our entire team. I also congratulate the incoming youth wing chairman Pratik Shetty and also new ladies wing chairperson Srimati Shanta Narayan Shetty. During my tenure, higher education led by Advocate Ratnakar V. Shetty, secretary, very, very hardworking. He's a very silent worker, Sridhar Shetty, and advisory council chairman, Advocate Ashok Shetty, our day college principal, Professor Dr. Rashmi Chitlange, night college principal, Dr. S.S. Bandari. We are all now excelling in our educational institution. I am very happy during my tenure, both our institutions are doing very good work. I have attended last 2 degree distributions of day college as well as night college. Main thing of Bombay Bunds Association since beginning, since our NCCSC started in 1985, we are giving educational aid to needy Bunds community students in Mumbai. During my tenure, we have given more than 700 students educational help. Our education committee chairman, K. Surendra Shetty, has excellently done his work, meticulously done the entire process in last 2 years. I am very happy to have K. Surendra Shetty as our education committee chairman. Our building maintenance committee led by Sadanand Shetty has given me guidance. You can see this beautiful renovated auditorium here. Or Lata Jairam Shetty air conditioned renovated Sabhagraha, Rekha Devakar Shetty mini hall, and entire maintenance work of this Bund Center building is taken care by our Sadanand Shetty sir. I am very grateful to him too also. Cultural committee led by Vishwanath Shetty has performed a lot of programs, Yakshagana, Bayalata, Yakshagana Thalamatale, so many cultural programs he has organized. I am thank you for his good services to this association. Our Patra Pushpa committee led by Sunil Shetty has done excellently work. Our Patra Pushpa, some pending work he was completed it. Thank you, Sunil, for your good services to this August institution. Sports committee, Suresh Ayyadi has also done excellent work. Last year we have organized a mega sports event with the kabaddi competition, and we are participating in all the sports events in Mumbai as well as in Bangalore. I am happy to say that our catering and decoration committee led by Shamanna has supported me. It's very good. We have changed our caterers, new caterer, Satish Shetty, and Salini decorers, Salini Shetty are now taking over as our caterers. They are doing very good during their work. We are getting more bookings for our auditorium, for marriages and all social functions. Thank you, Shamanna, for your services. I also Shyam Sundar Shetty, our social welfare committee chairman, he also done excellent work. Prabhakar K. Shetty, chairman, Constitution and Legal Committee. Ashokanna, program committee, and Sridharanna, membership drive committee, and Lataka as a marriage cell. I'm happy to say that my vice president, the new president, Advocate D.K. Shetty, has supported me in last 2 years. He is very kind, very guiding force for me. Aikala Kishore Shetty has meticulously done his secretarial work. We are all coming together, going together. I am taking as a team. Whenever we are coming, we are all coming together. And he has done excellent job. Very good annual report. Very good minutes drafting. Very good letter writing. Excellent work. As a former banker, he has done very excellent work. I am happy to have such great personality as my secretary. Thank you, Aikala Kishore sir. Another our asset, CA Vishwanath Shetty. Being a chartered accountant, he is doing our accounts point to point, very perfect in a professional way, presenting the accounts in timely manner, everything, our supporting our statutory auditors, internal auditor and everything. Thank you, CA Vishwanath sir, for your very good work, very good support and your professional guidance to this August institution. As a joint secretary, Advocate D.K. Shetty, our Advocate Gunakar Shetty, and as well as our joint treasurer, CA Divakar Shetty, also done excellent job during my tenure. All my past presidents, trustees of this great August organization supported me, supported for my each and every good work. I hope I congratulate our incoming president, Advocate D.K. Shetty. My full support is there for you, sir. You and we all, past president, together will support to bring this association to greater heights in the coming years. Once again, thank you all. If I made any mistake, please, if I hurt anybody, please forgive me for reposing faith for last 2 years. I am grateful to you all. Thank you all. God bless you all. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Karnataka, Jai Bombay Bunds Association.